When is the best time to work out? To answer this question, let's first ask another. Are you more productive in the morning or at night? Some people are most creative in the morning, while others find their productivity peaking in the evening. When it comes to exercise, it's much the same. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to the best time to lift weights or do cardio. It really depends on you. So in this video, we'll break down the benefits of exercising at different times of the day to help you decide what works best for you. First, let's look at working out in the morning. Morning workouts have numerous benefits. First, it sets the tone for the entire day. Exercising early can provide a sense of accomplishment and momentum, making you feel more energized and motivated to tackle the rest of your day. Plus, research shows that those who exercise in the morning are more likely to stick to their workout routine consistently compared to those who work out later in the day. A study published in the Journal of Sport and Exercise Psychology found that people who exercised in the morning were more likely to report higher levels of physical activity throughout the week than those who exercised in the evening. Another benefit of morning workouts is that you're more likely to burn fat, according to a study published in the International Journal of Obesity. People who exercised in the morning burned significantly more fat than those who exercised in the evening. The difference was particularly evident in overweight participants with a greater proportion of body fat. This suggests that exercising earlier in the day may be more effective for weight loss compared to exercising at night. One possible explanation for these findings is that exercising in the morning may lead to a higher amount of calories being burned due to an overnight fast, meaning that your body has been utilizing stored energy sources such as fat throughout the night. Additionally, morning workouts may help regulate hormones related to appetite and satiety, potentially leading to reduced food intake and cravings later in the day. Morning workouts also offer better cardiovascular health outcomes. Research has shown that early morning exercise can help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. A study published in the Journal of Hypertension found that individuals who exercised in the morning experienced a greater reduction in blood pressure over a 12-week period compared to those who exercised in the evening. This suggests that morning workouts may be more effective in improving cardiovascular health. One explanation for these findings is that exercising in the morning can help lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone that can contribute to high blood pressure. Additionally, morning exercise may lead to improved insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood pressure and reduce cardiovascular risks. That said, there are some downsides to exercising in the morning. For example, you might not be able to get the same intensity as working out later in the day. That's because studies have shown that core body temperature reaches its lowest point in the morning, which can affect reaction times and the intensity of your workout. Study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning. Research found that participants were able to perform more intense strength training exercises later in the day, when their core body temperature was higher. This suggests that working out in the morning may result in lower muscle activation levels and reduced strength compared to working out later in the day. Another potential downside of morning workouts is that you may not get the same cardiovascular benefits as working out in the evening. Research suggests that exercising later in the day may lead to improved endurance and cardiovascular capacity. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that participants were able to sustain higher intensities during cycling time trials in the evening compared to the morning. This suggests that evening workouts may be more effective for improving cardiovascular fitness. So what about working out at night? Well, it may actually be the perfect fit for you. After all, a lot of us are just getting off work and winding down for the day, so it's convenient to squeeze in a workout at home. Or maybe you're a night owl and find yourself more energetic later in the day, making it easier to focus on your fitness. Whatever the reason, there are plenty of perks to exercising at night. To start working out at night may be better for your sleep. That's right. Instead of tossing and turning, you can get quality sleep after a good workout. And we all know how important sleep is to overall health. A study published in the journal Current Opinion in Behavioral Sciences found that regular physical activity helped improve sleep quality and reduced insomnia symptoms. Other research published in the journal Physiology and Behavior even suggested that evening exercise could increase slow-wave sleep, which is the deepest phase of sleep. This means you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Night workouts can also boost your metabolism. When you work out later in the day, you may find that you're able to push yourself harder and lift heavier weights. That's because, according to research, muscle strength and power tend to peak in the evening, meaning you'll burn more calories during your workout. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that participants were able to lift heavier weights and perform more reps in the evening compared to the morning. This suggests that night workouts may lead to increased muscle mass and strength over time. Lifting heavier weights and performing more reps can help boost your metabolism by increasing muscle mass and improving cardiovascular fitness. This can help you burn calories even after your workout is over. But there are some potential downsides to exercising at night. First, a study published in the Journal of Physiology found that reaction times and alertness tend to be lower in the evening, which may impact the intensity and safety of your workout. Additionally, exercising later in the day may interfere with sleep quality. As we mentioned before, a good workout can promote better sleep, but exercising too close to bedtime may have the opposite effect. The adrenaline rush from a strenuous workout can make it difficult to fall asleep, potentially leading to sleep disturbances. To avoid this, it's generally recommended to finish your workout at least a few hours before bedtime. Ultimately, the best time to work out is whenever you can make it happen. Consistency is key. If you prefer working out in the morning, but that changes when you travel, don't beat yourself up for missing a few sessions. Just get back into your routine as soon as you can. The most important thing is to find a workout schedule that works for you and that you can stick to long term. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind when choosing the best time to work out. First, consider your lifestyle and schedule. Are you more of a morning person or a night owl? You have early morning classes or a late night work shift? As your workout schedule should fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Otherwise, you're setting yourself up for failure. Next, think about your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your workout? Are you trying to lose weight, improve cardiovascular health, or build muscle mass? Different times of the day may be more effective for different goals. For example, if your primary goal is weight loss, exercising in the morning may be beneficial due to the potential for burning a higher percentage of body fat during early morning workouts. On the other hand, if your main goal is to improve athletic performance, training later in the day when your muscles are warmer and more flexible may be more advantageous. And finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel at different times of the day. Are you more energetic and focused in the morning, or do you feel more motivated and less constrained in the evening? Your body's natural rhythm can play a significant role in the effectiveness of your workout. If you're a morning person who feels energized early on, starting your day with a workout may be ideal. Conversely, if you're a night owl who prefers to stay up late, working out in the evening could be a better fit. It's also important to note that the best time to work out can vary based on individual factors such as age, sex, genetics, lifestyle, and health conditions. What works for one person may not work as well for another. So it's essential to experiment and find what suits you best. Keep track of your energy levels, performance, and recovery to determine. It's the optimal workout schedule that aligns with your preferences and helps you achieve your fitness goals. Thanks for watching. See you next time.